Hello, dear students from all over Egypt. Welcome to today's session. With you today, Miss Wafa Hassoub. And today, inshallah, we will take the review test for chapter 1. So be with me, please, to know all the information and why we chose such choices. So let's start with the review for chapter 1. So as we already know that the review or the mini test for chapter 1 contains from 6 questions or exactly 6 questions, and each question have a specific number of diamonds. So question 2 here has 1 diamond when you answer it correctly. Question 3 has 2 diamonds, and as for 4 had 3 diamonds. As for question number 5, it has 4 diamonds, and question number 6 had the full diamonds of 5 diamonds. So when you got all the diamonds, you will have the word perfect at the end of the exam. So answering the exam has 2 words. Either to have it at the word clear, it means that there is a mistake or you misleaded in some points of the exam or in your test, or a question that you clicked the wrong code and you got a mistake or got an error and you run it again or made a reset for the code. So whatever modifications you do to your answers, okay, it shortens your diamonds. And if you lacked, so we have here 5 diamonds. If you lacked 1, you missed 1 diamonds, you will get clear. So you will pass, but with the word clear. But if you got all the diamonds, you will get the word perfect. Perfect. And it's gonna be red in red. So let's start together. Start from the beginning. And this is the first question. So here is the question, and here is the choices that we need to answer or click the correct answer from it. So the question says, so we have 6 questions, remember, and we have here the diamonds. So question number 1, select the correct program to output the word hello to the console. So do you remember how to output or display the word hello to the console? We should write, let's check here, console.log, right. Hello without brackets and without quotation marks. No, this is wrong. Well, check number 2. So log.console, no, misordering. So the order here is wrong. Okay, console.log, this is correct. And we have the 2 brackets, perfect. Here we have the double quotation marks, nice. And we have here the characters, which is hello. And finally, it ends with the semicolon. This looks perfect. Okay, let's check number 4. It says console log without dot. So this is wrong. So the correct one is going to be number 3. Okay. Whenever you repeat it again and again, and may you have the correct answer, it's not number 3. It may be number 2 or number 4 or 1. But the correct answer stays the same. It's console.log and 2 brackets. We have the double quotation marks and the character in between and the semicolon. So let's write here or click answer. If you are not sure, you can click view hands. Okay, so it says this is correct and this is the correct answer. We will click next. Okay, now we need to write The second question here, create a program as follows. Output, good morning to the console. So we want to write good morning. Do you remember what I told you؟ فاكرين اللي قلته لكم؟ You need to copy it first. قبل ما نكتب أي حاجة هنا على text editor. Copy the word good morning. And after that, click here. Okay. Enter the two brackets. Enter the double quotation marks. Click Ctrl and V and end it with semicolon. Again. Enter the two brackets. Remember them. يعني افتكروا الترتيب ده هيسهل عليكم دايما. So, the two brackets, the double quotation marks, you click, okay, Ctrl and V, and finally put the semicolon. Let's run the code together. And here's we have it, the console says good morning. Let's click answer. And this is a correct one. Great, dear students. Okay, let's click next. And here the third question. He wants you to write, okay, a program. So create a program as follows. It says output programming to the console. So to output the word programming to the console, we need to write a program. Do you know how to start? First, copy the word programming. After that, click here into the editor. Write perfect console. Write with me. So console dot log. The color turns into blue. So now you are correct. After that, do you remember? I told you, huh? Write the two brackets. Write the quotation marks. Click Ctrl and V and end it with a semicolon after the brackets. Why semicolon? To end the line. To end and tell the computer that this is the end of the program. I don't need anything more. I don't want anything more. Okay, we know that you can omit the semicolon, but it's advisable to put it. Once you finished writing, click Run Code to know whether you're right or not. So Run Code, and here the word programming in front of you. If you are not sure, if you are writing something wrong, we can click Reset Code, or we can click here View Hints. So answer, and it says correct. A program that outputs a character to the console is console.log, and open the two brackets here and the two double quotation marks and the character in between. Click next, and now we have create a program as follows. Output the word hello to the console. So first we will click hello. After that, we will go to the text editor. You remember this black screen? It's called editor. Okay, write console.log. Open the two brackets. Enter the double quotation marks. Click Ctrl and V and end it with a semicolon. And now we need you to click Run Code. And here is we have the word hello. Let's check the answers together. And our answer is correct. A program that outputs a character to the console is console.log. And as we already told you, we need the brackets, the double quotation marks, and the character in between. Continue to the question after that. So, question 5 says, please select the correct way to write your comment. Remember how to write a comment? Okay, let's check them with me. So first we have here, write your comment here, preceded by two slashes. And it seems the correct one. Okay, well, let's check the other choices. Number 2 here, we have a slash before and a slash at the end, and this is a wrong way. This is the way that computer will not understand, won't understand it. This is wrong. Well, number 3 here says, write your comments here and two slashes at the end. And this is wrong too. We need to write or put the two slashes at the beginning. Okay, let's check number 4. Here we have, write your comment here and one slash. And this is wrong. We need to put two slashes. Okay, so the correct answer is gonna be number 1. Write your comment here and put two slashes at the beginning of the program. Let's click answer. And here it says correct. Okay. To comment, type two slashes at the beginning of the line you wish to comment on. And we told you that comments, okay, is something or hints that you will leave it for you, just to know how to go through your coding program. Okay, we click next. And we have here the final question. So comment out the program so that the output is as follows. So do you remember comment out? So we want a program to not be displayed. Not be displayed. We want hello. My name is code to be displayed to the console. Check with me here. We have here console.log and the word hello. This is okay. Console.log my name is, and this is perfect. Console.log rec. We don't want rec to be displayed. We want it hidden as a comment here. So we want it to be comment out. Okay. And finally, we have here console.log Cody. So Cody is correct. What should we do to make this disappear or to be commented out? Great, exactly. So at the beginning of it, we put two slashes. And as you can see here, okay, it fainted. The color of it is fainted. That means that when we click run code, those hello and my name is and Cody will be disappeared. But the one here or the program here, which is fainted, which is preceded by two slashes, won't be displayed. Won't be displayed. That's why we call it comment out. Comment out. Okay, so let's run code to see whether we are right or wrong. So this is hello, and my name is and Cody as he wanted. Okay, let's click answer together, and voila, perfect, correct answer for you. So let's go to the result to see And this is what I told you about. So now we have the five diamonds and we have the word perfect in front of us. So look here. So here our introduction is perfect now. Why it's perfect? Because we answered all the six questions correctly without any mistakes and we done everything perfectly. That's why we had the word perfect for the introduction of chapter 1. Well, that was the end for today's sessions, dear students. Hope you, inshallah, enjoyed and revised all the information for chapter 1. Wait for me, inshallah. Miss Wafa will explain chapter 2 with you, inshallah, next session. So wait for me. Thank you and goodbye.